Are you ready to achieve your dream IELTS score? No matter if you are planning to study, work, or settle abroad, your IELTS result is the gateway to countless opportunities. And we are here to guide you every step of the way. Our IELTS preparatory classes are crafted to ensure your success. We have already helped numerous students achieve their desired scores and reach their goals. Many of our learners have scored band 7 and above, and you could be next. Here's why you should choose us. Specialized coaching for all sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Unlimited mock tests to make sure you are fully confident on exam day. Time-tested strategies to overcome common challenges and boost your performance. We are also offering free orientation class where you will gain valuable insights into our program and we will help you succeed. Classes begin this weekend, so the time to start is now. If they can achieve their goals, so can you. Don't let doubt hold you back. Join us today and take the first step towards a brighter future. Seats are filling up fast, so secure yours now. Let's turn your IELTS goals into reality.